Hey everyone, my name's Christy. Welcome to my corner. Thank you so much for joining me today for this Flosstube extra unboxing of the StitchyBox Stash Delights box for February. Now this is as far as I've gotten. I haven't opened it at all, and this is going to have all the spoilers because it's an unboxing. So if you don't want to watch this yet, don't watch it. But before we get to the unboxing, I want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for joining me on my crafting and stitching adventures, and welcome back everyone who's been hanging out with me the past, I don't know, months, weeks, days, however long you've been hanging out. It's been so incredibly wonderful to get to know you all in the comments here on YouTube and also on Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at Dr._Christy. I'll put that right here. And that is where I post pictures of my crafty things that I do, like works in progress, my kind of experiments with crafting, my experiments with baking, my normal baking, pictures of my dog. I don't know. Basically, that's where I post the things that I do during the week that I think people might be interested in. So if you are interested, check me out over at Dr._Christy and you can find out. This is a channel about embroidery and cross stitch and other textile crafts and baking and history and the history of all of those things. And so if any of that is interesting to you and you are not subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe and hang out with us. We have a good time. So today, like I said, is the StitchyBox Stash Delights box from February. And this just came today. Like I said, I have not opened it at all. This is as far as I've gotten. So it, and last month was really good. You can, I'll put my last month's unboxing up here if you want to check that out. But basically it has all sorts of fun stuff, and it is not like a normal box. The premise behind it is that it is a subscription box of the stuff that she really loves, that Liz from StitchyBox really loves, but that doesn't fit in her other subscription boxes. So this is kind of like the extra neat stuff that she comes across and just wants to share with the rest of us. So each one has a little letter, and it says, "Welcome to our February 2021 Stash Delights shipment. This month is all about love." Love. New love in the form of our Flower Silks Duo colorway. Old love in the form of a thread from the StitchyBox Vaults from Planet Earth. Self-love in the form of our tasty treat. A delicious chocolatey mug cake. Ooh, I do love me a mug cake. And of course, love of stitching with this month's chart, Love Blooms. This month's embellishments are also love focused. Oh, I don't want to read this. This is going to spill it, all the beans. Okay. And then it also gives directions on how to use her Silks Duo silks that she dyes, that are like house brand silks. They're apparently kind of variegated in a very particular way. But let's dig in. So first of all, we have this pretty purple paper, and we have a mug cake. I am so excited. So this is one of those raspberry cheesecake brownie single. New York chocolate brownie cheesecake filled with raspberry. What? That is happening like tomorrow. So that's awesome. So there's also a couple little packages. There is a little sticker. So that'll go on my sewing machine, which isn't there, but that'll go on my sewing machine. A little sticker. And we'll open up the little package first. I love little packages. Oh, it has a tiny little heart on it. That's adorable. So let's see what's in here. And last month was, sorry about the crinkles, but I'm opening it. Last month was all winter themed, so I'm kind of excited to see what we have in here. We have, ooh, we have a 8mm Swarovski Heart Crystal Shimmer. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. I think you can see it there. So that's beautiful. And tiny, tiny little heart charms. And 2mm natural rose quartz faceted rounds. I don't even know if you can see them. They're in there. And that is it in this little bag. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's it for this little bag. So that's fun. I need to find something to do with those. Because I don't use beads a lot or crystals a lot. So I might need to come up with something that, I might need to come up with like a pattern or an embroidery or something that uses crystals. Or maybe I can make them into like a zipper pull. I don't know. How, okay, anyone who knows anything about Swarovski crystals, how fragile are they? Like, would I want them to be something that I would grab and pull and use? Let me know, because I don't actually know very much about Swarovski crystals. And then there is a bag. This is a nice red bag, and this is the other bag. This is the bag that I got last month, and they are lovely. And this has all of the flosses. I love it. So we have lots of fun flosses. This is the Flower Silk by StitchyBox, and it's called Flowers of Love. And this is the silk. And this is the February 2021 duo. We have a Fiber on a Whim hand-dyed pearl cotton, size 12, 20 yards. I have never tried this dyer before, so that's fun. And it's pearl cotton. I don't usually use pearl cotton, but this is a very thin pearl cotton. So this would be good for, it looks about the size of like 2 DMC strands, and so I think this would be a good thing for if I do like a monochromatic like cross stitch as opposed to an embroidery. We have Planet Earth Fiber 6-ply silk. It does not have a name, but it is green, and it's a very, it's kind of like a dark minty. It's coming up pretty true. So that's pretty true. We have a Stitchy Silk by StitchyBox limited edition French spun silk in pale plum. That's coming up a bit pinker. It has a little bit of a violet undertone, so it's coming up much pinker for you. We have StitchyBox. Oh, this is Gentle Arts Sampler Threads limited edition spiked punch, which is coming up more orange for you, it looks like. And then this is Forbidden Fiber Co. English Rose. And I've been wanting to try Forbidden Fiber Co. So I'm pretty excited to see how this stuff stitches up. And that's all the floss. And then there is a pattern, a StitchyBox exclusive pattern called Love Blooms. And that is a very sweet little pattern. So that's what is in the box. So just, it's the pattern, 6 flosses, 2 variegated, a couple silks. So it looks like it's 3 silks. Yeah. So it looks like, again, like last month, it's 3 silks and 3 cottons. We have a sticker, which, who doesn't love a sticker? The crystals and the heart charms. And finally, the chocolate mug cake and little baggie. So that wasn't not as fun as last month, I have to say. I'm still pleased. I like the flosses, and the nice thing is that, and I think that's why I like these kind of stitchy boxes. That's why I like stitchy boxes, but also like subscription boxes because it gives me the chance to try things that I wouldn't normally try, because I'm not just going to buy like one random floss from a company. Like I'm not going to do that because I stitch by color. And so I would like use the colors that I have or a DMC. Yeah. So I'm happy that I get to try new flosses, and I'll have to think about whether I want to keep the pattern or not. I really liked last month's pattern. I'm probably never going to stitch this month's pattern, so I may keep it for a future giveaway. And I think that that's it. So what did you think of this month's Stitchy Box in comparison to the January Stitchy Box? I have to decide whether I want to keep it going forward. I still have 2 more that are coming, so that's good. So I can still look forward to those, and you all can look forward to those. But this is the StitchyBox Stash Delights box. At the moment, there's a waiting list. I'll put a link to it down below. I think it's $40 a month, and you're paying for like 2 months ahead. So yeah, so I'm paid through, so I will get one in, I'll get the March box at the beginning of April, and I'll get the April box at the beginning of May. But I need to decide whether I want to keep it. So what do you think? Yay or nay? What are your thoughts? That's it from me. Thanks for hanging out with me and joining me while I unbox my Stitchy box. And I hope you enjoyed seeing what was inside and were a little bit inspired by what you saw. And I will see you on Friday in my Flosstube. So please take good care of yourselves and have a good one. Bye.